Right, so we're going to fit this downpipe shoe to the bottom of the downpipe. You can see I'm just going to mark the bottom of the downpipe. It's a little bit too long, so rather than wedge it in there, we'll take a couple of centimetres off of that. I'm just marking it with a pencil. It's just you can use any pencil. I'm just using a tracer pencil. Getting ready to cut. I'm going to use a multi-tool. You can use just a regular handsaw. It doesn't really matter. I'll just use a multi-tool because it's a lot quicker than using a handsaw. Now when you do cut, just be careful behind the downpipe. There isn't any wires. Obviously you can see those wires there. Sometimes they'll run them down the back of the downpipe, and the last thing you want to do is cut through a sky wire or an electrical cable that somebody's put there and go bang. That's not good for you or the customer. So a couple of seconds, this will be done. Trimmed down nicely. Doesn't take too much, to be honest. There we go, that's off. Now it's time to fit the downpipe shoe. I'm just clearing off those little burrs there, the old bits of plastic that have been roughed up. So here we're going to go take the shoe. You just need to sort of wedge this underneath. You'll see how I sort of go like at an angle. Pull the downpipe. It can take a little bit of a wiggle to get it in there. Mind your fingers as well. You can catch your fingers when you do that. There you go. Pop. That's on. Nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. And there you go, the finished job. So any moss that comes down there now, any debris, the customer can clear out themselves. They can keep their drain clear. They're going to know it's not blocked up now. Rainwater's going to come down, go straight into the drain. No more damp. Nice easy job.